Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Korean skincare and unlocking the secrets behind the popular Mediheal modeling pack. If you've ever wondered how to achieve that flawless glass skin look at home, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create your very own DIY Mediheal modeling pack using simple ingredients. This luxurious treatment is known for its hydrating and firming properties, making it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. Stay tuned as we reveal the tips and tricks to elevate your skincare routine and bring the spa experience right to your doorstep. Let's get started. Calming ingredients can help reduce redness and inflammation, leaving your skin looking calm and refreshed. Lastly, these products are a great way to improve overall texture and appearance. Regular use can help to minimize pores, giving your skin a smoother and more even appearance. With all these incredible benefits, it's no wonder that Mediheal modeling packs have become a staple in many skincare routines. Now, let's move on to how you can create your own DIY version at home. Chapter 3. Step-by-step guide to using Mediheal modeling pack. Now that we know the incredible benefits of the Mediheal modeling pack, let's go through the step-by-step process of using it. This guide will ensure you get the most out of your pack, giving your skin the ultimate treat. Step 1. Begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. This will allow the pack to work more effectively. Step 2. Steam your face for about 2 minutes. This will help open your pores, making it easier for the ingredients to penetrate deeply into your skin. Step 3. Apply half of the provided serum to your clean face. This initial layer will act as a primer, enhancing the effectiveness of the modeling pack. Step 4. Mix the powder with purified water in the cup provided. Ensure you use purified water, not tap water, for the best results. Stir the mixture until it reaches a smooth, gel-like consistency. Step 5. Quickly and evenly apply the mixture to your face, starting from the chin and working your way outwards. Be sure to cover all areas of your face, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Step 6. Allow the pack to dry for about 15 minutes. You'll feel it tightening and firming your skin as it sets. Step 7. Gently peel off the pack, starting from the chin and moving upwards. If any residue remains, you can rinse it off with lukewarm water. Step 8. Finish your routine by applying your favorite toner pad and the remaining serum. This will help lock in all the benefits and leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. By following these steps, you can enjoy a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned as we uncover more Korean skincare secrets in the next chapter. Now that you know how to use the Mediheal modeling pack, you might be wondering where you can get your hands on it. Fortunately, Mediheal products are widely available, making it easy for you to incorporate this amazing pack into your skincare routine. First, you can visit the official Mediheal website. They often have exclusive online deals and bundles that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, shopping directly from their site ensures you're getting authentic products. For those who prefer shopping on popular e-commerce platforms, Mediheal modeling packs are available on Amazon, Takealot, and even eBay. Be sure to check for verified sellers to avoid counterfeit products. If you like to shop in person, many beauty stores and pharmacies in South Africa carry Mediheal products. Check out stores like Clicks, Dischem, and Edgar's for availability. Lastly, don't forget to keep an eye out for promotions and sales, especially around special occasions and holidays. You might just snag a great deal. With these options, you can easily find and purchase the Mediheal modeling pack to start your journey towards radiant skin. Stay tuned for more Korean skincare secrets in our next chapter. If your skincare routine is draining your wallet, you're in for a treat. Mediheal's modeling packs are a game changer. These magic packs do exactly what those expensive facials do, but at a fraction of the cost. First, steam your face for 2 minutes to open those pores. Then apply half the serum on a clean face. Mix the powder with purified water in the cup provided. Remember, no tap water. Quickly apply it, starting from the chin, working outwards. Wait 15 minutes for it to dry, then peel it off from the chin up. Finish with your favorite toner pad and the remaining serum. Grab these on Amazon before they sell out, and follow for more K-beauty tips. Bye!